Hello, fellow Poke trainers. Jay's here with another Pokemon TCG opening. Today I'm going to be opening up this mythical collection Darkrai. It's the second one I opened. I'm still looking for that Mega Charizard. Sorry about the camera. Okay. So, let's see. Let's see if I get lucky. It's one of the few cards I'm missing from Generations collection. Look at the pen if you guys haven't seen it. And here we have a Charizard pack. And the Venusaur one. We'll go in this order. Get rid of this stuff here. And pop out the promo. There we go. We got the Darkrai. And let's get into these. So yeah, I'm also missing the Charizard. Regular one. Ninetales. And I think that's it. It's just those three. Let's see, Generations was 3, right? I hope it was. I forget. Anyway, we got a Magikarp, Fairy Energy, Doduo, Tangela, Charmeleon, Metapod, Evo Soda. Our reverse is a Snorlax, and that is a rare. A Slurpuff. And last card is a Jinx. Oh, no luck from that one. Last pack right here. Come on, Venusaur. One, two, three. Here we go. You got the Rhyhorn, Zubat, Ponyta, Diglett, Chikorita, Haunter, Mr. Mime, Reverse, Hollow Shauna, a Sylveon Ex. That's nice. And our rare is a Tauros. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.